Morning, guys. It's Chase here. It's the first Saturday of turkey season here in Indiana. Dad's on his way over right now. I'm hoping there's some birds roosted where they were before season. I haven't really been hearing them lately, but we're gonna give it a try. He's not gotten a turkey in a few years, at least that I know of. So we're gonna get out there super early, get hidden well, and see what happens. So. Oh man. I thought that was a little far for the 20 gauge, but
Apparently not. Had to stop the flop before he got off the property.
right. He's flop a little more, I like him to. God, I can't believe he ended up coming in.
I know. It's like the curiosity just got the best of him.
I've never seen someone stare at the decoys that much and end up coming in
I know.
without something else happening.
You think that other one went back across the road?
That first one definitely did. And then he was right behind him, but I'm guessing that first one saw us and spooked, and then this second one didn't know what was going on. It's probably the same two we heard this morning.
Yeah, I bet it is. Closest two we heard.
It's not a young one. It's
not. Pretty bird. That's a nice one.
It's a big tom.
How's the beard looking?
Oh God, there's no beard.
Yeah, there's a paint.
Oh man.
Nice. That's a nice one. The killing spot.
That's how we roll, baby.
Just one of the usual birds from around here. Ain't it?
Yep.
Just a,
He's got some pretty good spurs though.
Mm-hmm.
Those white spurs.
I know.
Those are kind of with black tips. It's kind of neat looking.
Yeah, it is.
Decoys got the best of him. He couldn't stay away. Had to come in and check it out. Struck with the 20 gauge again. I'm still, I haven't missed with it yet. That was a little over 30 yards, which is kind of a far shot for us, it seems like. Usually we get them, they get closer than that, but it still took care of him. Now we got to get Dad one.
Yep, it's my turn. The O20. Dingo 20 with the O20.
I think it's my favorite gun.
I missed with it last year. Remember that? Or no, 2 years ago. My last bird I missed. And then
you got another shot at
it.
Didn't you?
I missed the tom, and then the Jake come back in this right in the same spot.
Yeah.